You're deep in a coding session, building a complex application, when your momentum comes to a dead stop. Your AI assistant refuses to generate code. GitHub Copilot Free allocates exactly 200 credits per month. When you are actively developing, testing, and iterating on a project, those 200 credits deplete in a matter of days. We are going to walk through a repeatable sequence to bypass that limitation. You can reset those credits indefinitely, as many times as you need. This method takes less than 2 minutes to execute. More importantly, it preserves your active workspace. You will not lose your chat history or the context of your current codebase. To set this up, you only need 2 things: your active Visual Studio environment and a single, reliable backup email address to handle verification codes. You don't have to wait until the first of the month for your credits to refresh, and you do not have to abandon your project halfway through. Step 1 begins directly inside your Visual Studio interface. This mock-up of the AI Agents panel shows exactly where to check your usage. Once your Copilot Free status bar hits that 100% threshold, your current session is locked. When you reach that limit, click your account profile within the IDE and completely sign out of GitHub. Next, open your web browser. We need to generate a brand new email address to serve as the foundation for a fresh GitHub account. You must navigate to Outlook for this step. Gmail recently implemented strict policies tying account creation to mobile phone numbers. Outlook currently allows you to create multiple accounts without hitting that mobile verification barrier. To keep track of logins, create a root username like SmartTricks and append numbered variations for each account, 001, 002, and so on. To avoid errors, assign the exact same password to every account in that sequence. This is where you input your single backup email address to receive a one-time code. This graphic shows a prompt you will likely encounter: Microsoft asking you to configure a passkey. If you see this, immediately skip it. Accepting the passkey ties your device hardware directly to that specific burner account. That hardware link will block you from rapidly creating the next account when you inevitably need to repeat this process. By combining Outlook's flexible creation rules with a numbered naming structure, you create a limitless, highly organized supply of burner credentials. With your numbered Outlook account ready, head over to the GitHub signup page. Enter the new Outlook address you just created to register this fresh GitHub account. Microsoft will ask for a verification email to prove you are human. Once you bypass the passkey, go to your new Outlook inbox and find the final verification code sent by GitHub. Copy that code, return to the GitHub tab, and paste it to finalize the account activation. By avoiding the hardware lock, you now have a completely untethered GitHub profile, ready to be linked back to your code editor. Switch back to your Visual Studio window and click the Continue with GitHub button in the AI Agents panel. This triggers a browser redirect. Simply authorize Visual Studio to connect with the brand new GitHub identity you just registered. This data visualization shows the immediate result of that new connection. Your Copilot Free usage drops entirely to 0%. Eventually, this secondary account will also hit its 200 credit limit. When it does, you will execute the repeat loop, moving to your 002 email address. However, for every loop after the first one, you must run the entire browser process inside an incognito or private window. Standard browser windows retain cache data. If GitHub or Microsoft detect the exact same session data attempting to register multiple accounts in a row, they will flag your IP address and block the creation process. Using strict incognito hygiene alongside your numbered emails ensures a clean slate every time you need to reset the system. With your credits restored, return to your primary code window. Notice your chat panel. Even though you swapped out the entire backend profile, your previous prompts, your project history, and all the context you built up remain perfectly intact. The assistant reads that preserved history, connects to the available language models, and resumes generating code exactly where it left off. You bypass the paywall entirely, ensuring a continuous, unbroken workflow from the start of your project right through to deployment.